to my channel, and today I will be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul for you. I have a few different items that I'll be hauling today. They're all from Fashion Nova. I'll have everything that I brought out the store linked down below in the description box if you want to check anything out or purchase anything for yourself. So let's start. First thing I have, I'm actually wearing it. I have this black cutoff like sleeveless crop top. It's all black, and this cardigan it's like a matching set. They go together. I brought these two items together. Black crop top with the cardigan. It's really cute and everything fits perfectly. I got the top in an extra small, cardigan in an extra small. I also got the same thing but in another color. So I have another one, another like crop top. It's in like this, I think it's called mauve color. And I got the matching cardigan to go with it. Matching cardigan. These are also in the extra small as well, both items. Next, I have this really cute all black button-up shirt. It looks really small when you're not wearing it. Like it looks like it won't fit, but it's really stretchy and buttoned up, so it will fit you. This is how it looks. It looks really small, but when you put it on, it fits perfectly. This is one of my favorite tops from Fashion Nova. I love the way it fits. I think it's really nice. And summer is coming up. This is a nice shirt for the summer. But then again, I live in South Florida, so it's kind of like summer year round because it's always hot. So I can wear this pretty much anytime. Next item I have is this all white crop top with it's like the short cut off sleeves. Again, this is another one. It's really small, but it's super stretchy. It's really small, but it's really stretchy, so once you put it on, it'll fit really good. This is another one that's perfect for the summer because it's really cropped, really small, like it's perfect. Next item I have is this black and white crop top. It's like all black, but it has like these white stripes on the sleeves. And it's a crop top with a hood on it, so it's like a hooded crop top. This is really nice as well. Next item I brought is, it's another crop top. All I wear is crop tops, to be honest. So, cause I live in a sunshine state, so I can wear crop tops all the time. Next item is a crop top it's a long sleeve crop top with like a turtleneck on it. And it says bougie. I'm not bougie, but I've been told I'm bougie a few times before, so I got the shirt to match that now, so I can gladly say that I am bougie. I'm not bougie though. I like the way it fits, and you don't have to wear the zipper. Like, I'm not really a fan of turtlenecks, but I don't have a problem with it on this shirt. I like it. And plus, you don't have to wear it like zipped all the way up. I usually wear it like zipped down, and I have the collar like folded down like that, and that's how I wear it. It's really cute. And I have another one. It's the same thing but in a different color. Same exact shirt but in a different color. This one is red and it says Rebel. I brought this shirt and the other one and the blue one because I usually don't wear like really vibrant colors. I'm trying to like step out of my comfort zone and like start wearing a lot more different colors and stuff, because I usually just wear all black or like all white or gray. Like I never really wear like bright colors like red, blue, pink, orange, yellow, green. Okay, so next up I have these all black shorts. When you put these shorts on, they do look like a skirt. I got this in a size small. I got these in a size small. They do look like a skirt once you put them on. And these are really good for the summer as well. I wore these when I went on a cruise to the Bahamas. Next up, I got these shorts. I got these in a size 1. And I'm really like, in pants, I'm really like a size 0, extra small, but I got these in a size 1 because that's the smallest size that they have. But they do fit good for the most part, even though like I usually wear a size 1. They're just some nice regular shorts that you can wear anytime. Again, perfect for the summer. And I like these shorts. Next item I have are these all black high-waisted shorts. I got these in a extra small. I was actually kind of scared to order these because I'm really small and I thought these were going to be too big on me, especially when I saw the models on the website that were wearing these shorts. But they fit really good and I'm happy with it. I'm happy I got them, even though I was kind of scared to order them. But yeah, they're just all black and they're high-waisted. They're extremely high-waisted. They come like past my double button. Okay, so the next item I got are these high-waisted jeans. These are actually my favorite jeans ever. Like, these are the best jeans that I've ever bought off the Fashion Nova website. They're high-waisted. They got a lot of rips and holes in them, and I got these in a size 0 and they fit perfectly. They fit perfect. These are my favorite jeans. I love them so much. And they fit amazing. They're one thing nobody cannot say about Fashion Nova jeans is that they don't fit. Their jeans always fit true to size. They fit perfect. Next thing I got is another pair of jeans. Well, they're not really jeans, they're more of a stretchy material. But they're just another pair of high-waisted jeans. I got these in a size 0 as well, and once again, they fit perfect, true to size. I love these. They're just in this, it's called Dark Indigo. It's like a really dark blue color. Like, it almost looks black unless you look at it like in the light. But you can see like the natural color, like it's a really dark blue color. Last but not least, I got another pair of jeans. High-waisted again. They're just regular dark wash jeans. High-waisted again, and once again, size 0. They fit perfect, true to size. No issues with these jeans whatsoever. I am super happy with my purchase. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this haul. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Whatever you want to do, it's completely your choice. And that was all for this video. I'll be back soon with another video, and Thank you so much for watching.